morning, everyone. It's approximately 6 a.m. here in the morning. Today I'm going to show you a few of the items that I've purchased at the local thrift store. Normally I would be at the garden every single day this time of year, but since that's not possible anymore, I have been haunting the local thrift stores. And excuse me, perhaps because of this COVID-19, one of the local thrift stores that normally has auctions for some of their more desirable items is no longer holding those auctions. So they're putting things out for sale directly or on the shelves. I mean, they still keep some of the nicer stuff locked up in cabinets, but it's for sale directly, and you can ask them to open up the cabinet and purchase that item. Or they put them on the shelves, and I have bought my beautiful old country roses dishes that way, which I'm just thrilled to have purchased. And anyway, I've gone back and I found a few other little items, and anyway, literally have to stop going there. I'm finding more cutesy things that I prefer than what I have in the past. So anyway, today I'm going to show you what I purchased this last week. And if you like this video, please subscribe, comment, share, or ask any questions if you have any. Thank you for watching my videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, so I went to the thrift store today and I found this beautiful glass oil lamp, and it's in good working order. The wick does move up and down. Everything seems to be in order. The glass shade, I don't know what you call that actually, but anyway, that's not chipped or anything. It's in good working condition. Beautiful pattern on the bowl that holds the oil. And yes, there were two of them. They were not the same. They were both unique, although they were both glass. This one was in proper working order. The other one was a little more fragile and would have taken some work to put it back together. Now, this one will have to be washed, and I'll see if I can buff up this bit of, but I'm not going to work too hard on it anyway. So anyway, that's my thrift store buy for the day. Okay, so I picked up this cute little dish. It's a Royal Albert pattern called Lavender Rose. Oops. There we go. Lavender Rose, bone china, made in England. And it's I would say a little candy dish. It's not very large. And yeah, another little thrift store buy. That's it for now. Okay, so I decided to go back and get the second glass lamp that they had there. I ignored this one initially because it needs a little bit of repair work, and I didn't know if I was up to it. I took a second look at it again and decided it wasn't all that serious, so lamp number 2. Okay, so there are my two lamps side by side, both purchased from the thrift store, and I think I've got to avoid that place for a little while because I'm just finding the sweetest little things there. Anyway, those are my bargains for this week. Hope you enjoyed this. See you on the next video.